Hello everyone and welcome to another program. This time about idioms with me Sohail and Ali.
Thank you. Hey everybody, you're most welcome here. As my friend Sohail mentioned, please stay with us. We're going to analyze some specific idiom related to being happy and also to be that much delighted. It usually happens in your life at work or maybe other specific places in your life.
But these days I think we can find it so rare, being happy these days.
Yeah, right? Something new. Definitely. So are you interested in football?
Not that much, Ali, to be honest.
Who is he?
Of course I know him, Messi.
Everybody knows him, okay? He's one of the most talented football player ever in history. Let's watch one of his most highlighted goals that he scored against, I think that was about Liverpool, yes.
Let's I'm not watch that it much together. Bad, in soccer.
That's it. Let's watch it together. Yeah, that was such a talented curve, actually. So, the first idiom was especially about this one. Could you please?
Yes, for sure.
So, Messi got a real kick out of scoring a free kick goal against Liverpool. What does it mean, Sohail?
As you said, the main topic of this session is all about happiness. Mm-hmm. So when you get a real kick out of something, it means that you are so happy.
Absolutely happy. You're delighted. Okay, so
as an example,
yeah, I can tell you that years ago, when I realized that I was accepted in university, I got a real kick out of starting going to the university.
Perfect, fantastic. Yeah. Or I really got a real kick out of the pizza that we had last night that you were missed.
Yeah, good for you.
Good. So if you agree, let's go to the next one.
Good, please.
For kicks, Ali, what does this mean?
As you can see, Kate is keen to have a go at rock climbing for kicks. It means, although it was a very dangerous activity, she tried, to be doing that. So something that is dangerous and you wanna somehow enjoy doing that, we call this part and this idiom, doing that activity for kicks. Example?
For example, one of my friends used to steal some things from stores, Ali, and for kicks.
He shouldn't be acting like that, okay? Just remind him. Good. So,
as an example.
Yep. Let's check the other idiom.
Do you know him?
Of course I know. Everybody knows him, okay?
But I don't know.
please, just do something to be a little bit more knowledgeable about sports. So, Roger Federer jumped for joy when he won the first prize. Again, it means to be very happy when you do something. So I do remember I jumped for joy when I heard that my grandma came home after being bedridden for 2 weeks in the hospital. Now I'm really happy.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank God that I have him again at home.
Perfect. Or, the other day someone called me and told me that I got accepted to, for example, Tehran University, and I jumped for joy when I heard this news.
Good for you. Yes.
And let's go for the last one, Ali. No, not last one, I guess.
The last but one.
Yeah.
They've been walking on air ever since they started going out together. So, as you can see, this couple, they're totally happy and
they're over the moon.
Of course.
So we can say walk on air when they are so happy. Yeah. They've been walking on air.
Have you ever felt walking on air in your life?
I think so. I can remember first when I was playing chess with one of my friends and I won the game. I was really walking on air at that time.
And today, before I just guys came here, my newborn nephew, I just hugged him and I just smelled his neck. So, his smell really made me walking on air. That was absolutely nice.
Fantastic. And let's go for the last one. Make my day. It means you are so happy about that.
Yeah, something happens to you that, you know, it lift your spread, it, you know, refresh your energy to be continuing to the end of the day.
Exactly.
It's great to hear from you. It's really made my day. Do you have any example like this?
Definitely. Yesterday, I got a promotion at work, and it's really made my day. You can imagine how happy I was.
And today, again, on my way here, there was a little kid. He told me that your smile is nice, something like this. We had a sweet conversation together.
Yeah.
He really made my day. Thank him. Dear guys, thank you so much for watching us. Do not forget to subscribe us.
Like and share this video.
And click on the bell icon to be notified for further videos.
Definitely.
See you next session, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.